My dear brothers and sisters, yesterday we were reflecting on the miracle of the feeding of the 5,000. And today we have another miracle where Matthew relates in the form of an event taking place on the sea. What is the message we can take for life at home? Just one small point today we can reflect upon. Jesus tells Peter, "Come, walking on the water to me." And as Peter walked and had his eyes fixed on Jesus, he was quite safe. But when his eyes were away from Jesus, when he felt the strong wind gashing at him and the waves, high waves, his attention was distracted. His concentration was distracted. His focus was now more on the water, high waves, and the wind. The result was he began to sink. When our eyes are focused on God and God alone, and everyone, our whole family members are in that so-called focus, fixed on God, nothing can harm us. We will never sink. But when our mind is too much bothered about many things in the world, many things, and we forget the focus on God, then we begin slowly to sink without even realizing. We forget that God is the central portion of our life, and our attention in a way goes on to other things, worldly things, and we forget that God is the creator of all these things that I am looking at. Let's really take this message home. As we live the life on this earth, let our focus be on God, and let all that we have be an act of thanksgiving to God, because all that we have is from God. All that we are is from God, and God is always with us. So let's focus our attention on God and live our life and ask the Lord to help us when these so-called difficulties, the storms of life come. We know you are there walking with us.